In this Circuits of the Past video, we show you where the lost Belgian Formula 1 circuit of Nivelles used to be, now in 2024. The lap was filmed by Herman Lischemeyer, the founder of this YouTube channel, and as you'll see, just like the old Spa-Francorchamps video, Belgian drivers love to slow Herman down. The Nivelles circuit opened in 1971 as a safer alternative to the old Spa-Francorchamps. It hosted the Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix in 1972 and 1974, and both of those races were won by Emerson Fittipaldi. The layout of the Nivelles circuit was designed by Dutchman John Hugenholtz, who also designed other tracks such as Suzuka, and he also was a circuit director for Zandvoort. In some of the corners at Nivelles, you can definitely spot the inspiration from Zandvoort. Now we approach the first corner. The current road has been adjusted for traffic and doesn't follow the old corner. The corner was slower and used to be on the parking lot on the left-hand side. Because the Nivelles circuit was well ahead of its time in terms of safety concerns, it, like many others, has gone into the history books as being a flat and boring circuit, but that's really not fair. The layout contained elevation changes and very challenging corner combinations. And we've now arrived at that great corner combination. This double fast right-hander was very challenging, with elevation changes in the middle. Here you can recognise the inspiration from the circuit of Zandvoort in the Netherlands, and as I said, Mr. Hugenholtz was the circuit director there. The circuit of Nivelles was actually never truly finished. The design foresaw a longer track, but because they couldn't bring up enough money to actually buy the necessary land, they built a shorter version for 3.7 kilometres first. The intention was then to expand the circuit later on, but once the circuit was there, the landowners thought, I'll have some more cash please, thank you very much. And so the Nivelles circuit was never truly finished. Sadly, that meant that the Nivelles circuit would close after a lot of financial troubles in 1981, and this is now a business park today. Parts of the road follow the old track, but not here, so Herman continues à la foot. So, as we explained at the beginning, this urban explorer is Herman Lischemeyer, and he's the founder of the Circuits of the Past website and YouTube channel. His first very visit to an abandoned circuit was Nivelles in 1998, and it inspired him to start this project. He arrived just in time really, because shortly after his first two visits, they started the demolition. My name's Simon Smith, I do the voiceovers, and I have a gaming channel on YouTube called High Plane Games if you're interested. Herman stuck the sticker you see here on this lamppost back in 2022. Naughty, naughty vandal. But as you can see, the sticker is of good quality and clearly legible. Gotta leave your mark. If you want to order such a sticker, they're available in the shop. We also have some cool t-shirts and some other merchandise for lost circuits too. So here we are on where the site of Turn 4 used to be. You can still see an open space between the trees, and that's where the track went. We continue our way now by car. On the grass field on the right was the chicane, leading onto the back straight. This is where the back straight used to be. The new public road follows the old straight here. Up until 2020, there was an original abandoned part of the track still left and being overtaken by nature. Now, sadly, it's part of the business park too. At this point, the new public road leaves the circuit layout, so we'll continue our lap by drone. So, Indiana Lischemeyer and his toolkit of circuit exploration continues, and here we are at the fast left-right combination at the end of the back straight. The combination of corners ran downwards towards the lowest point of the circuit, and you can still recognise the remains of the right-hand corner from this drone footage. After the left-right combination was a short straight leading to a hairpin. As you can see, after the remains of the right-hander, they demolished the remains of the left-hander and the short straight afterwards. If you watch back our older videos of Nivelles, you'll be able to see that it used to be here. I hugely recommend the video in which Herman encountered the police on the abandoned and forbidden section in 2019. Definitely a moment for the channel, that one. The new right-hand bend in the public road, which you see in the background, connects back to the exit of the hairpin. Now you see where the hairpin used to be. From here, the public road rejoins the circuit and follows it again. We now make the switch back to car again. Herman will show you the new part of the public road now. Ironically, this is the area where the intended expansion should have been located. So I guess you could say, after more than 50 years, it's finally built. As we said before, the Nivelles circuit closed in 1981. After that, it was used for illegal racing during the weekends, and often the police would come to stop it. In 1998, the first work started to change the abandoned racetrack into a business park. The actual demolition started in 1999, but a part of the track always remained up until 2020. Then they started to convert this area into a business park too. And in our other videos, you can watch the full transformation here from the abandoned circuit into the business park that it is today. So, now we're at the right-hand corner we just saw the bird's eye view of from the drone. And welcome to the long former start-finish straight. The hill in front of us is where the circuit used to run over a tunnel into the infield. Today, the road to the tunnel is still there. Now there's a garage or storage area at the site of the tunnel itself, and we're just driving over that now. From this roundabout, we follow the older part of the business park again. The road here is wider than the actual circuit. The circuit was in the centre of this road, and that's why Herman changes to the left lane here. We're now back at where we started our lap, at the former Nivelles circuit. If you want to see more footage from Lost Race Circuits, please do subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell too, so that you make sure you don't miss anything. That would be a travesty. Make sure to visit the website and download the free ebook with 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. Herman, legally. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, and well done Herman for not getting arrested this time either. Agent Herman, your mission is complete. Back to base.